Tacita Thompson. I'm a senior Salesforce consultant, and we are in Tuscaloosa, Alabama at the moment. Salesforce is like a closet organization system, and we're like Marie Kondo, coming in and cleaning up the data and cleaning up the processes. My day typically involves a lot of planning in the morning, and we do scrum calls and then I have meetings with clients. We then do gather requirements, design work, testing and deploying and building. And I would say the biggest thing about working for this company is the leadership and how they lead by example. They're continuously growing and they're helping us grow along with them. Also love my coworkers. They're so intelligent, and just to learn from them every day and constantly we're coaching each other and just learning from each other. It's a great experience. There's just something about small business owners that I think each of us have a little bit of that work here in us, and we could have gone down that path, so we have the empathy for them, and I just really enjoy helping them. There's something really special about that. I encourage others to work at Fast Slow Motion. It's pretty amazing to work in an environment where you really feel like every leader and every person around you is there to help.